Good morning, friends. This is Sri Harsha from Crazy Money with Sri, and today is 19th November. And let's see what's happening in the market and how actually we need to look at this data and what is happening right now. What is the kind of positions you need to make, and everything which is needed for you to look into the market. So, if you're not a part of my YouTube channel, go ahead, like this video, subscribe the channel, and hit the bell icon. So let's get started, guys. Yesterday we closed quite positively. Again, Nifty made a new high. Bank Nifty again made a new high. So the momentum is quite strong when it comes to Nifty, Bank Nifty. Let's look at what is happening in the European markets. Again, they have also closed positive, but the US market, there was a little bit of correction. There was around 1% correction in Nasdaq, Dow Jones, and S&P. All of them have corrected close to 1%. Now, what I can see is I don't see any big sell-off which is still there. As long as today we have a follow-up sell-off which can come in the US market, then probably it is something which we need to worry about. If there is no follow-up selling which is going to come, then probably from here onwards it may take support and start moving higher. So we need to closely wait and watch at this point of time, because I don't see any big negative things which are there. Probably a lot more positive things are there from the vaccine point of view, which is driving the market at this point of time. And the Brexit news looks to be something which is going to come, and because of that, if I look at what is happening in the futures, even the European markets even now are a little bit flat. They have not actually, even after the sell off of 1% on the US market, has not affected them much. The Indian market probably may start a little negative. I don't see major negative. It could be a flat to negative which we could actually get started, and from there market has a higher potential to move quite a lot, because I don't this expiry I'm looking it anywhere between 12,900 to 13,000 is the range which we are looking at the expiry. Today again the moratorium case of banks are still there. So whenever the case is there, yesterday also the case was there, it got urgent for today. So whenever the case is there, generally market keeps moving higher, and Bank Nifty is the one which is having a lot of momentum. Probably it may move towards 30,000 or probably way beyond that also. We need to closely wait and watch what is going to happen with the banking stocks. Banking stocks are the ones which probably can lift the mood of the market, and they have been continuously pushing the markets. So it's ideal that we need to stay with the momentum, because I don't see anything negative, at least in the Indian market perspective. I see the momentum is extremely bullish, and even the US market, there's a little bit of sell off which actually can be termed as profit booking. I cannot see any reversal signs as of now. So we are actually closely waiting and watching what is happening in the market. At this point of time, there's nothing uh, much we can actually expect from the market. There are a levels of sell off which is perfectly okay with so much of positive momentum happening in the market. So some amount of sell off is perfectly fine. And if you see the same thing in the gold and silver, it has been flat to negative only, and crude oil has been flat to positive at this point of time, because it is trying to drive with the way the stock market is moving. But anyway, at the higher levels the sell off will keep coming anyway. I don't expect too much of upside. This upside is limited for crude oil. So uh, the momentum right now for the market still seems to be there. Looking at the way actually market behaved yesterday, So as long as market is going to hold on to 11,800, um, market probably will be moving towards 13,000, and bank nifty probably will be moving towards 30,000 mark. And if the momentum is going to still continue, we may head towards all-time high for the bank nifty also. So that's the key point. If I have to see, um, the strength is still there, momentum is still intact, and as long as the momentum is intact, I don't see any reason for us to go on the shorting side. Shorts are not really helping us at this point of time, so we'll be waiting and watching what is going to happen in the market, and then probably we'll take a call. uh, so this expiry, as I said, probably will be between 12,900 to 13,000. Will I'm not expecting market to break the yesterday's low, so probably we will still continue to hold on to that. And after that, if we can hold on to that, then there is a higher probability that we could move towards the 13,000 mark. And if we can move towards 30,000 and hold on to that, that's a fantastic thing, and we can probably move way beyond that. So that's what I can see. So market right now, I feel you need to still be on the buy side, because selling side is not really helping. We have been seeing from the last 2 days, market there are actually selling which is coming, but market is so resilient, it is able to push that, and the main strength is coming from the banking. Though both banks are nifty, bank nifty and nifty both are at highly overbought situation, still the momentum is so strong that it is not allowing the prices to come down. It's only the global markets who have actually been correcting a bit, but there also we are not seeing any big sell off. 1%, half percent is not something which is significant, which we can see. And the strength still seems to be quite good there, and as long as they're able to hold on to those strength, this expiry probably can be again positive. As long as this expiry is positive, I don't see any big challenge in the global markets also. So overall everything looks quite great, and I don't see any reason for us to panic at this stage, and there's nothing to panic. And if there is anything which is there on the sell side, we will see, but all these things could be more on the intraday basis, because momentum seems to be still quite strong, and as long as the momentum is strong, we need to be on the buy side rather than on the sell side. So that's what I can say at this point of time. So guys, if you have not been a part of my YouTube channel, go ahead and hit the like button for the video, subscribe the channel, and hit the bell icon. You will get all the latest notification. And if you are not a part of my Telegram channel, search for Crazy Money History and join there, so that you will get all the latest notification. Thank you very much. Have a great and prosperous day.